today, as you can see, my faucet right here, my kitchen faucet running real low. My wife getting annoyed because she say she can't use the faucet anymore, and then I'm working on other project, but my own faucet I'm not working on, and it pissed the hell out of her. And so today I'm going to be me and my son. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Me and my son go work on this, and I'll go show you how to fix the faucet. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the faucet. See, first you gotta test to see if it's the water flow. You gotta test to see if it's a water flow issue. You turn it to cold, and then you see the cold. It's also running like that. So, and then you turn it to hot. Okay, and hot is also running like that. So it's not the water flow issue. It's not where the shut off valve or anything. You're not having a problem with that. What you're having a problem with is the filter down here. So all you need to do is get a plier and hold on. There you go. I think this is a size 20 if you got a size 20 wrench. It's gonna be simple fix. It's just a clock filter. Okay. Now you want to turn it on, see? Okay. Yes, I didn't want to lose anything. Okay, now you got your filter here. You can tap it out. Go remove it. Go remove the filter. You see where the dirt debris. Yeah. You see the dirt. Okay. The breeze here, you see it all black. Okay, that's where it's clogged. Let me see. You see it? All black. You see it? So look at it. Look at that particle. We just go wash it this way, the opposite way. Okay, opposite way. Separate all and all. And there's a lot of right here. Oh, there you go. There's another. Didn't see it. Look at that. Never deal with this kind before. See? So look at that, all those black particles. Okay. Now it's coming out. Hold on here. Might as well completely clean it since always taking it apart. Comes one more part. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Nice and clean. Okay. Now put it back together. This way. Okay. Once I put it back this way, I forgot. Let me see this filter right here. Because the water's not running fine, so let me take it back off. That's usually a clock section, but somehow this got 3 filter and distract me. And wow, this got another 3 filter. Okay, look at that, 3 filter. Okay. Now that's nice and clean right there. Okay. Nothing that a brush can't do. Let me see all 3 of them. It's got a little one right here. Little speck. Okay, now we can put it back together. All 3 of them. Put it back in here. Oh. There you go. Ooh, 3 layer. And then got another 3 layer right here. I just turn the water on, you know, get him plug again already. Hold on. Just want to check if the water was bad since I'm at it. Okay, nope. It's all good. Let's try and put it back on the second time. Oh. Put it back on the second time. Okay, now you see it, it'll make a difference. Okay, you see the major difference on before and after. Now it's actually normal. See how strong it is compared to what it used to be? It's pretty strong, that's normal. Even though the filter on this is to the extreme. I guess there was like 6 different parts to it. Usually it's only like 1 part. For the filtration for regular faucet, but I like this 6 different parts. Just for the screen alone is like 3 parts, 3 screen already, 3 screen of layer on this. I never see a 3 screen layer before, but I'm impressed. Alright, that's how you I'm pretty sure my wife be happy also, you know. She always complained that your own house, never bother fixing it. So now I got to it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. This will make your wife happy if she do all the dishes like mine. Okay? Thank you.